don't know why. I get down in some of these spots. It is too cold to be out here for sure. Oh man. But we'll catch something here hopefully. We're gonna get little bites on the fake thing, so. What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Thank you guys for joining today. We're just gonna brave this creek here in the winter. I'm scared it's gonna be really cold, but all in the pursuit of fish. So hold on tight. Let's go see if we can go catch some fish. Oh, hey, got a snag. Guess what? Can't handle snagging right now. Doggone it. Oh, feet. I'm sorry, feet. You so crazy. Oh, I forgot to get my itty bits out. About to throw a jig head with no bait on it. Only the hungriest of hungry fish to get that. Got pulled a school of them out from the tree over here.
Yeah, they're probably around that tree.
A whole school of them right here now. Gonna try a wormy.
I think I just saw a small bass. I could have sworn. Could be mistaken. He wasn't but 7 inches long. But it sure looked like one.
There we go. Had our first catch. Looks like I don't even have this thing on. But we got it on. First catch out of the creek. Is it a shiner or a chub? Looks like it is a shiner. There we go. Little shiner there. Woohoo! Oh, I didn't take a picture of the first catch of the day.
Yeah.
I'll do the last catch of the day. Because they were hammering the mess out of a day. Oh, I don't care what it is. This is way better than not catching anything. At least got something biting at it. There we go. Number 2. A little bitty guy. Creek chub, more than likely. Or a shiner, not a creek chub. Goodness gracious. Little creek common shiner here. Another little bitty guy. Wintertime. There's not anything big in here so far. You see a couple decent sized ones right here. See if we can't get a bigger one here. There we go. Got another one, number 3. These are teeny tiny guys, but third fish of the day. We did it. There you go, little bitty guy. Oh, so we can get one more and then we'll move on up. Try to get a decent sized one here. There's a nice little school of them hanging out. Probably better if I had gone up creek from them. There we go. Got another one there. Not too bad now. Got the hang of it. Figured out where they are. Just pulled them up, little bitty dudes, but fish, common shiners. Yeah, let's scoot on up a little bit and see if we can't find any more in a minute. Oh, that was a decent size something. Decent size compared to what we've caught so far today. What's up?
I was just thinking it's kind of a good test, but it's kind of aggravating at the same time. This makes Saunders Ferry look like it's a Florida fishing trip or something. All those golden shiners.
Right, there we go. Another little shiner there. On the no split shot setup because it fell off on the tree over yonder. Couple shiners. All right, let's move on. Head back to the car. Running out of time for the day. I don't want to get back in this cold water, but Seth's making me. I'm just kidding.
My bad.
I'm just kidding. All right, realist. Wasn't paying attention to my time. I'm gonna run out of here super fast to get done what I gotta get done today. So, brave the cold waters, caught some fish, and I'm gonna be out of breath. So, hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome.